Welcome back for another INFINOX MT4 Tutorials video on how to use the platform. In this video I'm going to talk about how to open MarketWatch and how to add different instruments on MT4. So let's start with MarketWatch. You've got your platform open but you can't see the MarketWatch box open. Now there are two ways of opening it. You go to the View button at the top, click on it on the drop down menu and go down to click Open MarketWatch. As you could also see through that View button, there is a shortcut as well with Control M that you can do to open MarketWatch. So now you've got the MarketWatch box open, you can see the symbols that you can trade with. Well, there's not too many there, are there? So there are only the Forex majors. I'd like some more. So let's go to the View button, click on Symbols, and we can open some more instruments. I'd like some more Forex, like Euro, Aussie, and Euro Sterling. I'd also like a gold price. So you go down to click on plus to open the gold price and double click on gold. And also, let's go for some indices as well. In the CFDs section, you've got S&P 500 and also FTSE 100. And you can see back in the MarketWatch box that they're all populating as I double click through them. The other thing is that you don't like the order that they're coming through in. So let's drag them, click on them, and drag them up to where you prefer to have them. Now, as with everything with MT4, there is a shortcut to open that symbols box, and you can find the shortcut with Control U.